Hi there, and welcome to our hot topic video, Renovate Your Condo and Pay Less Tax.
HRTC stands for the Home Renovation Tax Credit, and your condo renovations qualify. The HRTC is a non-refundable tax credit based on eligible expenses for improvements to your house, condo, or cottage. It can be claimed on your 2009 income tax return, and it applies to eligible expenses and improvements made from now until February 1st, 2010. The HRTC applies to eligible expenses of not less than $1,000, but not more than $10,000, resulting in a maximum non-refundable tax credit of $1,350. To qualify, the improvements completed must be made to your primary residence and/or your cottage, and not your investment property. You can spend more than the $10,000, but you can only use up to that amount for the credit.
So, what can you use the HRTC for in a condo? Some examples are renovating your kitchen or bathroom, installing new flooring, painting, putting in a new furnace or water heater if you own it, opening up the space, and that's subject to condo board approval, replacing lighting fixtures and ceiling fans.
So what expenses are covered? Acceptable expenditures for these projects include services, which is your labor, your design consultants, etc., your materials, which would be your paint, your building materials, etc., your fixtures, your rental equipment, and your permit fees.
Keep your receipts for everything and make sure that the receipts are itemized and dated, along with the store's name, address, and GST and HST number. If you hire a contractor, the same information is required with the details of the work to be done and associated costs. Invoices must be marked as paid in full to approve payment in case there are any questions in the future.
Remember, there's certain things that don't qualify, such as financing costs, tool purchases, professional cleaners, maintenance work, furniture, and appliance purchases.
Kitchen, bathrooms, installing new hardwood floors are great improvements to increase your present and future condo value, but can also be difficult to execute. So, our best advice is to plan well. Ask yourself and your contractor, what do you need, when, how's it going to be, or how is it going to come together. It's hard to go through a renovation, especially if you're still living in the unit. But it can be done. Remember to keep it as neutral as possible, which will give your unit a much better resale value and make it easier to sell down the road.
Thanks so much for listening to this hot topic video. Please keep posted on our site for our next one. And as always, if you have a topic you'd like us to discuss in an upcoming video, please let us know. Have an awesome day.